Okay guys, so before we begin, here is our Newscrypto shoutouts of the week. So I would like to make a shout out to Benj for Real, Devin, Derek James, Jonathan Kwan. So I know you guys have been mentioning me because one of the questions of Newsco is, who is that ambassador from the Philippines? So yeah, it's no other than yours truly, Nomad Virit. So for those of you who have mentioned me and got the right answer in Newsco's latest quiz, so we have Annie, Grim, Miko, Essence, Mike Oda, Special Sam, Ismail, Tyron, and Wilson. So guys, thank you for the mention. And also to you, Newsco Quiz, of course, don't forget my challenge to you about a dance off. And of course, let's do the To the Moon Soon coming from yours truly.
To the moon soon and double shit to the moon soon.
Anyway, so let's get started. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another Newscrypto video. So, Newscrypto is an already tested product used by the world's top traders that serves as an all-in-one crypto suit. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for all users, regardless of their current level of knowledge. The platform offers everything from automatic charting tools that help beginners understand the basics of technical analysis to advanced proprietary indicators for expert traders. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for both crypto traders and enthusiasts from around the globe. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app that is available for both Android and iOS devices. Okay, so what about our main topic for this week, guys? Okay, so as you see right here, guys, from Newscrypto's Mercury Trade platform, so they're going to have an early access beta testing within this week from August 1 to 7. So this is what I am really excited about. So it says right here, and I quote, "We want your feedback. 1 week of testing the Mercury platform for everyone will be open from August 1 to 7 of 2022. Why? To get feedback and information directly from you guys." So everything is explained. So they have a thread right here. So I'm going to read, and I quote, "Your opinion is valuable to us as it will help further platform development. That's the reason we've decided to reward the most useful feedback, valuable information with a bag of NWC tokens. And after the testing week, we'll close it for the public until the official release. And you will be able to try out all the features, but keep in mind that this is not yet the final product. All the issues found in a major update will be available when Mercury is released. And of course, how to start testing." So you could see that they have prepared a quick and simple walkthrough through the Mercury platform from registering an account to taking your first trade. So it was explained right here in this video. So I am going to play it from the beginning. And let's try to enlarge this screen so that you could see everything. So here we go. So that's how it is about Mercury Trade. So at least they've shown us on how it's going to work. Before we are going to try out the copy trading platform of Mercury Trade. So guys, I am no stranger when it comes to copy trading. So I am really looking forward to this one, and I'm so excited to try out the Mercury Trade platform by Newscrypto. So if you want to check it out, guys, of course, I have provided all the source links right here in my YouTube description, especially this tweet. So once again, take note that the early access beta testing of Mercury Trade by Newscrypto will be from August 1 to 7 of 2022. So guys, don't miss this opportunity for you to have an idea on how it works before it is available for public use. So for me, it's a can't miss opportunity, especially if you are into crypto trading. So if you think that this video is so helpful, you kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic about crypto trading, whether if it's spot, futures, copy, margin, or so. Anyways, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also, you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.